Good morning, everyone. It is December 14th at Kyushu Institute of Technology, class number 9. So this is the class after your midterm test. The midterm test was okay. I'm going to show you the results shortly after I give you the whole lowdown on what's going on in class 9. First, a few things. Over here, I haven't shown you this yet, but there was supposed to be a class on February 1st. This was supposed to be class number 15. Class number 15 was supposed to be February 1st, normally a Wednesday. But because of the problems that we're going to have with this room, they told me that this room wasn't available on the Wednesday. I moved it to Thursday. It'll be on the Thursday. So February 2nd. It'll be on February 2nd on the Thursday, second period in this room. Sorry about that. It's because of the way that the classes worked out. But it should be okay for you. I'm told that it should be available for all of you to attend. The midterm exam itself was okay, as I said, but let's take a look at what you have to do for this week. This week, I want to go over the Quizlet material very quickly as a warm-up before we do the practice for the speech contest. Before that, though, I want to show you that you have your reading quiz and your grammar quiz and your homework video and photo upload. Also, it looks like I think I forgot to give you another assignment, which was for your listening lab upload number 2. So while you guys are practicing, I'm going to put that up there and show you that a little bit later. But you actually have one more assignment, but that's not due until January 18th. But in any case, I'm going to put that up and I'll show you a little bit later. Okay. The reading quiz, that's due on January 17th, so you have time until after the New Year holidays to do it. The grammar quiz is also due well into January, so you have a bit of time to do it. But because you have a lot of stuff to do, including your Career Dream speech video this week, I suggest you start doing that little by little by little. You have your homework for this week as usual. Take a photo, upload the photo to the assignment. And the big thing that you have to do this week that will be due on Saturday, on December 17th, is your Career Dream speech video. We're going to be doing a lot of work for that to make sure that you're ready for it. First, we'll get ready with the Quizlet material. And then after your voices are all warmed up, we'll do the last practices for your Career Dream speech. I'll show you how to use Zoom to record yourself, show you the last few things that you want to know to make sure that you can read your speech as well as you can. Okay, on another page here, I have the results of your test. And, well, one person had a bit of a problem. This person was down here at 12 points or 55 points out of 100. So they didn't do very well, but almost everybody else passed the test. The test was pretty good that way. I think probably one person just didn't have a good day, or maybe they were sick. In any case, the majority of people actually did very, very well. This was, 10 people. 10 people had 85 or 90 points, basically, 90%, 85%. 3 people, I think, yeah, 3 people got a perfect score or a nearly perfect score. So most people did very, very well. And almost everybody passed except for one person, but I think that just shows you the importance of studying. So you guys did okay. In any case, what we're going to be doing from here is working on your Quizlet, okay? Don't forget, as I said, you have a reading quiz, a grammar quiz, and you have your listening lab upload number 2. As you're looking at your Quizlet in a couple of minutes, I'm going to be uploading that to you to get that ready for me to show it to you. Okay, if you have any questions, please make sure that you give me an email at jdmcruz@gmail.com. Otherwise, let's have a good class today.